the beach where the movie The Beach was filmed. May Beach. Maya Beach. It's famous and it's beautiful. It's magical and popular, and it has strict rules for visiting. I'm going to show you what to expect visiting Maya Beach, how to get there, and what the rules are. Hi, I'm Linda, and I'm here to guide you to plan your travels to have a better experience. Know what to expect. Maya Beach is on the uninhabited Phi Phi Leh Island, Krabi province, in Thailand. It is a short boat ride from Phi Phi Don Island, or a day tour from Phuket or Krabi. If you are in the area, it is a must thing to do. I went on a tour from Phi Phi Don Island. The meeting place for tours on Phi Phi Don is at McDonald's in Thai Village. Find the tour operator that you've booked for and get a sticker. Then I went to the beach whilst our guide grabbed his boat. In the boat, and we're on our way. Maya Beach is famous as it was the location for the year 2000 film The Beach, starring Leonardo DiCaprio. Tourism destroyed the island, the beach, the coral, the plants, the wildlife and the sea life. The beach was closed in 2018 and it opened 4 years later in 2022 with strict rules. You must now pre-book with a tour to visit Maya Beach. It's one of the new rules so they can cap the number of visitors. Tours are done by speedboat or longboat. I visited Maya Beach as part of a half-day longboat tour from Phi Phi Don Island, where I was staying for 4 nights. We are approaching Maya Bay, but boats cannot go into the bay at all anymore. They cannot go in, they cannot anchor, nor go to the beach. A tour boat will briefly go to the outer entrance of the bay for tourists to have a quick look, and then go around the other side. The boat parks on the other side of the island, and it's about a 10-minute walk across to Maya Beach. Boats have to go around to the other side of the island to a floating dock where passengers disembark and get picked up. The guide will tell you how long you have and what time to be back. You have 1 hour. It is a 10-minute walk across the boardwalks to the beach. The number of visitors to the beach each day is now monitored and capped. It's about 3,000 a day and only 1 hour visit per person. In 2018, the beach was closed due to massive damage by tourists and tourism. Damage to the beach, coral reefs, the plants and the landscape. It was predicted a 4-month closure. However, it was closed for 4 years to clean it up and for the landscape to restore and revive, and to install sustainable infrastructure and new rules to protect the landscape. It reopened in January 2022. Remember to subscribe for more travel guides. I visited Maya Beach as part of a half-day longboat tour from Phi Phi Don Island, where I was staying for 4 nights. I booked the tour within a couple of hours of arriving on the island. Walking through the streets of Thai Village, there are plenty of tour agents selling tours. If you are in Phuket or Krabi, there are plenty of tour agents on the streets in tourist areas, or book a tour online with an agent. This was a half-day tour on a longboat to Phi Phi Leh Island. Visited Maya Beach and then Phi Leh Lagoon to go snorkeling and swimming, saw the Viking Caves and Monkey Beach. The tour cost 1,000 baht all up. 600 baht was paid when booking, and then it was 400 baht to enter Maya Bay. The 400 had to be paid on the boat to the tour operator, who handed it over on the island. The walk across the island to the beach is on boardwalks to protect the environment. It is a beautiful walk. It is amazing here. It has to be experienced. It is beautiful.
No swimming, no shoes on the beach.
It is beautiful walking along this beach. I'm travelling solo, and so it's selfies for me. I don't have someone to take my photo like everyone else here. I think I was the only solo traveller here. Only 1 hour to visit, and there is a 20-minute walking to and from the boat, so 40 minutes on the beach. Enough time to slowly walk right along it and back, and take lots of photos. It was entertaining watching everyone else get their perfect poses and perfect photos. I really enjoy people watching. There are officers enforcing the rules, so no swimming and you can get your feet wet, but that is it. When it was time to be picked up, everyone in our group found each other on the floating dock and then looked out to the boats to wave to our guide. Our guide then waited their turn to get back into the dock and to pick us up. It is chaotic, it is noisy, it is busy, and everything moves very quickly and it's somewhat confusing, but it's worth it. We got into our boat and then off to Phi Phi Lagoon. This helps, hit subscribe. more travelling to dive. Happy travelling out there.